Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Piyush Goyal, and today we are going to dive into the topic of TIBCO Business Works 6 Workspaces. So there is a difference between the workspace which we used to create on TIBCO Business Works 5 and TIBCO Business Works 6. So basically TIBCO Business Works 6 is an Eclipse based UI. Before we jump in, I want to give a shout out to all the amazing viewers. Your comment and supports have been incredible, and it keeps me inspired to create the content that's valuable for you. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our deep dives into the world of TIPCO and beyond. And hey, if you have got any questions as we go through this, or there is a specific TIPCO topic you want me to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you, and your feedback shapes the content on this channel. Alright, enough talking. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of TIPCO Business Works. Grab your virtual notebook and let's dive right. So in the Business Works studio environment, you must first define a workspace. In TIBCO Business Work 6, you first need to define a workspace before you do anything, like before you start implementing a solution. So you might be wondering, what is a workspace? A workspace contains all of the component necessary to implement a solution. It has several folders and project where components are stored. It contains one or more BusinessWorks applications and one or more application module. Is a one point to note when we create a workspace for a first time or when we launch the BusinessWorks Studio with a new workspace for the first time, it may take a longer time to load the studio. So you have to be patient during that time or just don't try to close it through the task manager. So just be patient over there. The business studio perspective. So there are two pre-configured perspective or view you can say. So the first one is a design perspective and the second one is the debug perspective. So in the design perspective, basically you design the solution. Debug perspective is when you actually putting the code on debug mode and you wanted to view what sort of variables are getting set during runtime, basically for analyzing purpose, or trying you are trying to test the whatever you have implemented. So that is the second perspective, out of the box, pre-configured perspective you have. In addition, BusinessWorks 6 is actually on Eclipse, so it provides several others perspective. So these are Java perspective, database perspective, and there are many more perspective that we will also see when I will show you this perspective. And note, you can further do modification on any of the pre-existing perspective as well. Reason for this, you can save after doing the modification. And what is the advantage of that is like actually simplifies the development because you are now familiar with the view which you want. So once you save it, you can give it any name, and whenever you start your business work studio or like any other like in business work studio you can create many workspace. So whenever you start any workspace, so you can open your saved perspective. So that is the one more advantage of that. So it is a pretty useful, it is a very basic, but it is a very useful feature of business workspace. Yeah, that is all for today. Thank you guys.